down to the river.
And this.
The way that the sky opens up when we touch it, it's making me say that the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me.
Okay, so we're paddling. When we see a wave, you hold on tight. Okay? Alright, here comes the wave. Hold on tight, hold on tight.
Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second, cause the way you hold me, hold me.
There you go. And up. 2 more. Yeah. That's it. And up. Oh, last one. And up. Yeah. High five. You ready? Paddle. Paddle in. Paddling. Paddling. Oh, yep. Now get low. There it is. Now pop up. Pop up. Get up. Nice, that's the one. When I see a wave, you hold on tight, okay? Oh, here comes the wave. Hold on tight. Where to go? Boom. Good. Okay, you tell me when there's a wave. Wow, hold on tight. Let's go. Are you on? Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, you are, boy.
I'll tell you, before the wave comes, I'll say, hold on to my neck. And that's when you wrap your arms around my neck. Okay? Let's start. Ready? Hold on to my shoulder. Hold on to my shoulder. Twist my shoulder. Around my neck. Perfect. Just like that, okay?
I don't take my life for granted. I've been waking up tight, day after day. Hope is taking its time to go my way, but I don't take my life for granted. I'm gonna hold on tight to what I've been handed. I'll try not to complain about the things I have lost, 'cause when you have something great, that just means there's a greater loss. So when you look at yourself, tell me, who do you see? Is it the person you've been or the person that you're gonna be? Don't take your life for granted. Don't take your life for granted. Why don't you hold on tight to what you've been handed? Cause you just don't know how long you will have it.
That's good. You held on so tight, huh?
raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through. Just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us, just the two of us.